Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the boot order in BIOS on HP ENVY X360 laptop. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it, and once that's done, just go to boot options, then you'll see UEFI boot order. Select on the option that you want to move in the order. So I'm gonna move the USB flash drive. Then on the keyboard I can just click on F5 or F6, F5 to move it down, F6 to move it up, and now I'm gonna move it all the way up. So the first boot option will be USB flash drive. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.